If you see an indication that you can't send a message for 3 days on Instagram, it means that you have been temporarily blocked from sending direct messages due to behavior that Instagram considers spammy or against its community guidelines. And here's how to resolve this. First of all, you have to wait for the restriction to end. Instagram usually imposes temporary restrictions lasting between 24 to 48 hours or 72 hours, and this often happens if you send too many messages quickly and send repetitive messages or interact with the accounts that you don't follow. If this is your first restrictions, the easiest solution is to simply wait for 3 days to pass. You can avoid the spammy behavior while waiting, refrain from the actions that could be seen as spam, stop mass messaging. Sending the same messages to the users in a short time can trigger the restrictions. And you can also reduce your use of Instagram's messaging feature during the restriction. You can also remove or block suspicious accounts. If you have interacted with the spammy accounts, this may lead to restrictions. So review your recent conversations, block or report any accounts that seem problematic, and you can also avoid the third-party automation. If you use third-party apps or bots for activities like following, liking, or messaging, Instagram may restrict your account. So remove the third-party apps that violate the Instagram rules and stop using automation tools immediately to prevent further restrictions. You can also try logging out of your account and log back in, and then try clearing the Instagram cache. Tap and hold on it, tap on its app info, and then scroll down and go to its storage, and then click on Clear Cache. Restart Instagram to see if the restriction is lifted. If the restriction remains after the waiting period, or if you think it was a mistake, you can go to Settings first. Scroll all the way down and go to Help, that is in the More Info and Support section. Then tap on Report a Problem, and again tap on Report a Problem. Click on Include and Continue, and then describe your issue and request help to lift the restriction. You can also make sure that the Instagram app is updated by going to the Play Store or App Store. And avoid the future restrictions. To prevent future restrictions, do not send too many messages in a short time, avoid repetitive and spammy messaging, and be cautious when interacting with the unfamiliar accounts. So by following these simple steps, you can resolve the "you can't send messages for 3 days" issue and prevent it from happening again. Patience and moderation in using Instagram messaging system are really, really important. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.